this is Sophie from Lingchen Dental. This 16-print TAOS800L dental chair is ready to ship. Recently, we spoke with our customer who purchased this dental chair for a university. He emphasized the need of strong and durable dental chair that withstand many years using for the students, and meanwhile being a competitive price. After careful consideration and comparison, he ultimately chose the TAOS800L from us. Here, I want to extend my thanks felt to Doctor. Thanks for your interest us all the time. And we feel confident of this dental chair will bring the good results and support the students with their learning journey. We cannot wait till October that you receive this container, and we look forward you will feel pleased with your selection. Thank you again.